So for task 1, what is introductory paragraph? So basically introductory paragraph is an opening paragraph of the argumentative essay. It contains of 4 components which are able to introduce the main idea of the essay and attract the reader's attention and tell the importance of the topic. So what are the 4 components in the introductory paragraph? So first is general statement, which we can assume it is at a hook. It can allow the readers to understand what we're going to talk about and telling the background on the topic which we want to say for the essay. And then next is the importance of the topic. It is considered as a supporting statements to support the general statements like why we choose this, why is it important, and this would increase the credibility of the writer argument. The third one is opposing view statement. This is related to the opposite opinions from this topic as well as opposite from the writer view. This will strengthen the writer on point in arguing the topic. The last is thesis statement. Thesis statement is the sentence talk about the man's idea of whole essay, the writer stands and acknowledge an opposing view. So what is the thesis statement? Thesis statement is 1 or 2 sentences that presents the man's idea of the argumentative essay and inform the reader what will be discussed in whole reading. It also talks about the writer's stance and acknowledge an opposing view. So thesis statement basically will at the ends of the introductory paragraph. So the example for the thesis statement that I can give is like school uniform may be an upfront cost for families, but they eradicate the virtual difference in income between students and provide a more egalitarian atmosphere at school. So for the task 2 is about the activity 4 introductory paragraph 3. So what is the missing component? I think the missing component is the general statement. So my answer for the missing component is girls develop ahead of boys in every area and both suffer. So next is the task 3. So task 3, in order to show the difference between the opposing view and the rebuttal arguments, we must provide the statement which is related to each other. As an example, the opposing view is schools should not install surveillance camera because it is expensive. So for the rebuttal arguments, we can say that schools should install surveillance camera because it can increase safety and keep both teacher and students accountable for their actions. Next, we'll move to the task 4. So for the task 4 is about the activity 10. For the questions 2, my answer is it is sometimes argued that sale of music containing lyrics degrades women should not be prohibited because it is needed to have fairness for both sexes. However, it should be banned to protect women to be free from violence. For the question 3, my answer is even though some people feel that social media may divert student attentions away from class, but it also can play a role in providing an effective learning experience as it foster collaborations and discussion, exchange ideas, and build better communications. So for the last task is about the THT week 3. So a good thesis statement will provide the reader with the important point of an argumentative essay. So the criteria of the thesis statement for argumentative essay is it must be narrow, then it must be controversial. The third one is it must be provable. So for the second question is the transition signal of construct in writing a thesis statement for the argumentative essay. My example is although, despite, however, but, in fact. So the 2 examples of thesis statement that consist of the transition signal of construct, my answer is Some people say that teenagers do not work during their high school year. However, teenagers who do work learn valuable skills including organizing their time, building responsibility, and getting important work experience. So my next example is many people believe that stem cell research is dangerous. There are certainly reasons to be cautious with stem cell research or any new technology. Nevertheless, its potential benefits are far more important than its dangers.